Decoding the phrase, realign. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, realign. It's a versatile word that can be used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Realign is a compound word made up of two parts, re and align. Re. This is a common prefix in English that means again or backwards. Align, to place things in a straight line or to adjust something to a reference. So, when combined, realign can mean adjusting something again or setting it back to its correct or desired position. 1. Physical adjustments. When you're talking about physically adjusting objects, like the wheels of a car, you can say, I need to realign the wheels. 2. Personal and life changes. It can also be used metaphorically. For example, if someone is making changes in their life goals, you might hear, she's realigning her priorities. 3. Business and strategies. In a business setting, when strategies or goals are adjusted to meet new challenges or opportunities, one might say, the company is realigning its marketing strategies. 1. Realign with a vision means getting back in sync with an original goal or vision. 2. Realign expectations. Adjusting what one expects, usually to match a changed situation. 3. Realign resources. Redirecting resources, like money, time, or personnel, to different areas based on new priorities. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the word realign. English is full of such dynamic phrases, and understanding them can make your language journey even more enriching. Always remember, language isn't just about words, but the stories and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.